Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing of a product that I purchased recently. This is the product Digitek wireless microphone. The model is DMW-116. I saw many reviews regarding this product. Everyone's told that this is a great wireless microphone for motovlogging purposes, daily vlog purposes, and also recording in DSLR cameras. So let's do a little unboxing and give you a short review of how this microphone is actually. Before moving forward, this was not a sponsored video. I bought this microphone with my own money, and whatever I said in the video was my own personal experience. Nobody paid me for saying anything in the video. Enjoy rest of the video.
Alright, let's take a closer look at what Digitek provides us with. First up, we have the main unit, inside which you will find the transmitter and receiver. Both feels compact and solid in hand. Next, we have the user manual. Make sure to give it a look before you start using it. Inside the main box, we have another small box that contains all the other accessories the company provides us with. We get two magnetic clips in case if you want to use your mic with those clips in your shirt or anywhere else. Next, we get a type A to type C cable for charging the case and the mic at the same time. Here is a really useful addition, 3.5 mm TRS to TRS cable to connect the mic with your mirrorless or DSLR cameras. We also get two foam windscreens for the two microphones that will help to reduce any ambient background noises while recording outdoors or indoors. Next, we have two OTGs. One is from Type C to Type C and another one is from Type C to Lightning for iPhones that are older than iPhone 15.
So you saw the unboxing. In the box you already saw what are the contents present. So this is the main unit, the main mic unit. It comes with a charging box. Inside it we have two mics and a receiver. Let's test this mic in outside environment and give you a review of how the quality of the microphone is. We are outside for testing the mic. Right now I have connected the microphone with the camera with which I'm shooting. Hopefully the audio is good or not, I will see that later on, but you guys decide for yourself that how the audio is coming. I hope the audio is clear, and also right now the noise cancellation is off and some wind is there. Let's see how that works out without the noise cancellation. Now for once, let me turn on the noise cancellation and see what the difference comes. So right now I have turned on the noise cancellation and let's see how the audio is coming right now. I kept quiet for a little moment. Let me know if there was any background noises, because there are some background noises here. There is one workshop around, that noise is coming. So with noise cancellation, how the audio is coming, and let me again turn off the noise cancellation and see how the audio works. Now I have turned off the noise cancellation again and let's see how the audio is coming right now. So this is a test we did with the camera. Now let's go to the mobile and see how audio comes from mobile device. Okay, so now I am on my mobile phone, recording through my mobile phone. So I'm going to do the same test again. Right now wind is blowing, noise cancellation is off. Now I will turn on the noise cancellation and see how it works. So now the noise cancellation is on. I kept quiet for a moment and we'll get to know that how it is cancelling the background noises and all, and I'm speaking with noise cancellation on only. How the audio is getting compressed, how my voice is getting lowered or not, that we will see while editing or while checking the footages. But right now you will know that how the audio is, and you are the better judge. You saw the mic test outdoors. Now I'm indoors in an indoor situation. Ideally you will shoot all your videos in such situation. Now let's see how the mic works in indoors. I'm recording with this mic only. The rest of the video I will do with this mic. Right now the noise cancellation is turned off. Once I will turn on the noise cancellation and see how it works. Okay, so now I have turned on the noise cancellation, and this is the audio that is coming with noise cancellation turned on. Hopefully the audio is clear and everything is fine. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so let's focus on some important points about this microphone, starting from its build quality. The build quality of this microphone feels very premium. In 4000 rupees, the build is very good. You will not get a metallic body, it's a plastic build, but it doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels in hand very premium and very sturdy. It has a good weight to it. Also, the microphone quality it provides is really good. You know, I have tested the microphone in outdoor situations, indoor situations. In every situation, the microphone is performing awesome. I have no complaints till now. I have listened to the samples that I have recorded. Those are just fine. Also, one more thing I want to mention is the noise cancellation is providing. When I'm turning on the noise cancellation, the audio is also very good. It doesn't feel like the voice is getting muffled and all, like you will see in many of the budget microphones in the market. Finally, we came to the end. See, this is a quite pricey microphone with a price tag of 4000 rupees. But if you can save up and go with this microphone, I can assure you that you will not get disappointed because the quality it provides is just awesome. I have no complaints regarding this microphone. Every test I did, it passed on just fine. Next, I will do a motovlogging setup with this microphone and test it how it works in motovlogging setup. The main reason I bought this microphone. So in the upcoming 1 or 2 videos, I will test this microphone properly and give you an honest review about how this microphone is. So if you want to purchase this microphone, if you have the budget to buy this microphone, if you want to get a good quality audio for your videos and you can spend up to 4000 rupees, then you can definitely go with this option. I have given a link in my description. You can go check that out and buy it for yourself and just start making your awesome videos. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.